Hello and welcome to New Roads. I am completing a trip to the Detroit Grand Prix. I'm on my way back, and I just want to do a quick recap on my air suspension. I bought the Torque heavy-duty air suspension for Dodge 3500. My model is a 2021, and I did a video on the installation of it. I did a 1,000 mile review. Now I'm doing a 7,000 mile review on the suspension, and it's been incredible. No loss of air pressure at all. I did adjust it once or twice. I'm up to about 40 pounds now, so I have a little bit of stiffer ride. You can probably see the camera jiggling a little bit, because I do have the suspension a little stiffer. When I load up my trailer, you can see it back there. My trailer is right at 1,400, 13.7. And with it at 40 pounds, I get about an inch of drop. That's it. I don't get the chucking anymore, and I just came over a bridge. If I get another one, I'll add it in on this video, but I will hit a bump and I get one movement and it's back. It's not the chuck, ka-chuck, 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 ka-chuck thing that goes on. So I've got nothing but good things to say about the product. Very inexpensive, easy to install. You can install it in about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And that's with just some basic tools. And it's that mighty product. The bags are warranted, I think, for life. And it's really, really cool. So if you're thinking about increasing the performance of your truck, I would highly recommend it, especially if you do a lot of hauling. I carry my RV around just about everywhere I go. And when I first got this truck, it's a 3500, but it's a short bed. So when I first got it, I was getting a lot of the chucking going on. It bothered me a little bit. I checked the specs of my truck, and I'm supposed to be able to carry up to like 17,000 pounds. So this should be nothing for this truck. But after putting in that air suspension, 100% improvement, 100%. So if you're thinking about getting it, get a Torque unit. It works great, and I'll try to get you some video on the suspension and its performance when I go over some rough roads. Before the bridge, there's a big bump. You'll see. Yep, 1, 2, and right back down. So it's just 1.5, and it's right back. Almost like the way shock should perform. So I hope that helps you in your decision. Thank you for watching New Roads, and we look forward to seeing you on your next